to my model hero sheets. After a long night of Reddit reporting hate speech, got spare time before work to play on my Switch. An awesome gift from my wife's boyfriend Mitch. Maybe one day this week he will unlock my little cage. He hasn't learned microtransgressions at his age. That's when it freaking happened. Trigger warning, trigger warning. So many bigots morning after morning. And yikes guys, I'm literally shaking right now. To not be racist, do you even know how? Just prepare to get canceled while I drink this soy. By this made up bucks expert social justice boy. Down on my 10 Ds. Every lunch break, you know I hate on Mickey D's. Working in IT always helps with my depression. Until erotic co-workers committed transgression. Chatted help desk, didn't use the right pronoun they. No way in HR hell I'll let that racist bigot get away. Totally psyched they fired that bastard again today. About to celebrate with well-earned soy latte. Do you even know how? Just prepare to get fired while I drink this soy. By this victim culture expert social justice boy. What the heck in the heck? Tired of being called a cuck. Even though I've been married for money, I still have luck. Once I finally get my way, you will see there comes a day where I will enforce LGBT diversity to stay, and finally make the white race play. Just prepare to get in prison while I chop this soy. By this hate crime reporting feminist hero boy. As I've always figured, hate speech abound, literally shaking right now. To not be a Nazi, do you even know how? Just prepare to get in prison while I chunk this soy. By this hate crime reporting feminist hero boy. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on.
ます。